When people attend an event, they want an experience that is not only valuable, but inspiring. They want simple yet actionable takeaways they can apply immediately. Whether your event is in person or virtual, I'm committed to going above and beyond to make sure it's successful. My aim is to provide valuable content and insights using my thoughtfully fit model for peak performance, and specifically exploring the core, which is to pause, think, and act to handle any challenge thoughtfully. My team prides itself in providing a comprehensive experience that includes pre-interviews, customization, and engaging activities that are sure to leave your audience inspired. My name is Darcy Luoma, and I would love to connect to see if I'd be the right fit for your event.